Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the battery of your HP 15AF series laptop. This step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can confidently handle the task at hand. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap if you have one. Using the anti-static wrist strap is recommended to protect your laptop's internal components. Begin by shutting down your laptop completely and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, flip your laptop over to access the back panel. You'll notice several screws holding the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious during this step, as you don't want to damage any clips or connectors. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any missed screws. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It should be clearly visible, usually secured by a few screws. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them organized, as you will need them later to install the new battery. Now, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Make sure to pull on the connector itself, not the wires, to avoid any damage. If you find it difficult to disconnect, take your time and ensure you're not forcing it. At this point, if you notice any dust or debris inside your laptop, it's a good idea to clean it out. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust around the fan and other components. Remember, a clean laptop runs more efficiently. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Before you connect it, ensure that it matches the orientation of the previous battery. Once aligned, connect the new battery to the motherboard securely. After that, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the new battery in place. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the battery or the motherboard. Finally, reattach the back panel of your laptop. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. Replace all the screws you had set aside, ensuring the panel is secure. Before turning your laptop back on, take a moment to double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose parts. If you don't have the tools or are uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we can provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about calls or travel. Now, turn your laptop back on. You should see that it powers up and recognizes the new battery. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, check the battery status in your operating system settings. You should see an improvement in battery life and performance. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 15AF series laptop. If you encounter any issues during the process or prefer to have it done professionally, reach out to us for a quote before repair. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.